What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. You want to see who my littlest fan is? Well, here it is, EasyAcc. I just picked up this little tiny portable desk fan, and that's because I work on the top floor of my building, and I'll tell you what, right now, kind of the late summer, when it's warm some days and cool other days, what doesn't work really well is, well, the furnace slash air conditioning. Because, you know, sometimes they have the furnace going and then, you know, because it's a nice cool day, and then they have a really hot day and the hot air rises and it just ends up becoming really almost unbearable. And I thought, man, it would just be so nice if I had a little fan on my desk, just a little breeze, because it's just a tad too warm, right? And then if they mess with the HVAC too much, right, the people on the first floor are gonna be like, dude, it's too cold. Anyway. So I've got a micro USB cable here, plugs right into a USB port, so you can plug it into your computer or a power brick if you want. You know, if you're in Europe, it would look like that, but that's just one I had. Now take a look at this. It is pretty nice. This thing is pretty small, and you can see here it's nice and compact. We have, ooh, look at this. Not sticky like a sticker, just grippy like, I guess it might be silicone, but it's kind of grippier than that, you know? What it'll prevent is kind of sliding around, right? Now I can't actually. See what I'm saying? It won't move around, which is cool. All right, so you got that. Then we have an off and on button right here, and then we have charging light, 1, 2, and 3 speeds. You can see it's a tuxedo style, little black plastic and white, EasyAcc right there, 4-blade turbine in there, micro USB right there. I'm assuming the battery will be behind here. It looks like an 18650. Oop, got to pull out the plastic in order to get it working. So I'm assuming any type of 18650 lithium battery will work in there. So it's kind of nice that it comes with that right out of the box too. I was gonna have it plugged in anyway, but it's nice that it's there. So if I just go ahead and turn it on, boom, dude, look at that. That is awesome. I can feel it. Probably hear it blowing into the camera there. If I hit this, level 2 and level 3, and I tell you what, ooh, man, that feels good. Ooh, look at that. You can see my hair moving. I feel like I should be in slow-mo right now. Let's go into the high. This is level 2, and this feels awesome. And level 3, ooh, you definitely get a blast of air. If I just put this out here, if it were sitting on my desk, you can see that. Still would be blowing my hair around pretty good. Dude, I look like a model on a beach. Yeah, baby. Nice and cool. This is gonna be sweet. Honestly, this is gonna keep me nice and cool. It's still August here, still hot, still warm. If you live in a tropical area, it's not gonna really matter what time of the season it is. It's always gonna be hot. Something like this is something you can take, look, no cords, running on battery power only, but at your office, at a sporting event, whatever, you're gonna like it. Check it out. I will put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.